Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the workbook and selecting the exact sheet to print. Don't waste time on unrelated tabs. Once selected, switch to Page Layout or Page Break Preview so you can see margins and printable area. Make sure the rows at the top of the sheet contain the header content you need repeated. If your header spans merged cells, adjust them now. This will prevent misalignment later when Excel applies the print titles. Next, open Page Setup via Page Layout Print Titles, or from File Print click Page Setup. In the Sheet tab, find rows to repeat at top and click the selector. Then drag to select the header rows, for example $1, $3. Once chosen, confirm the reference and click OK. This tells Excel to repeat those rows on every printed page. Make sure the print preview updates so you can verify the header appears on page 2 and beyond, avoiding surprises. Finally, adjust scaling, margins, and orientation so the header aligns with the content. Page layout controls and print preview help. Print a test page range or a multi-page sample to confirm headers repeat correctly across pages. Once satisfied, print or export to PDF. If the header still doesn't appear, make sure you cleared any print area limits, remove unexpected frozen panes, and avoid selecting multiple.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.